Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time.
I'm still a happy. Wait to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me there's a man I. Not the best idea. His new how I get here. I'm in my place. I still love you. Rather be controlled than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be a business. This is evidence. I try to rationate you no murder's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the place, man. Now I'm on vacation. Now you lay your face down. Got me saying over. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Got me in there just to tell me there's a man I just want you. And you know what will I make you right. Not the best idea. Kill my ex, not the best idea. Kill this girlfriend next out I get here. I just killed my ex. I still love you. Rather be controlled than alone.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the call you up and call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been out alone. But if you're alone, then it's same thing. You don't wanna do bounds. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't right. Girl, say my name. You like to count the state of it. Baby, you are the same. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name.
Okay, y'all, I'm in Marshall's right now. Okay, so I've literally been here for like, I don't know, probably 30 minutes now. And I just got the idea to start vlogging, so I'll show you everything that I picked up so far. So I found this collapsible towel. It's only $50, so I'm gonna get this. I've been looking on Amazon for the longest for one of these. But I don't have any space in my bathroom, so this is perfect actually. So I found one of those. And literally, I just spent like 30-20 minutes in the hair section looking at all the oils and detanglers and stuff like that. But these are my picks. You guys are sitting on Hello Kitty. You guys are sitting on this right now. But so I got 2 of these Aunt Jackie's, not on my watch, detangling creams. These were only $3.99, so I got 2 of those. I picked up a Design Essentials. Oh my goodness. Design Essentials almond and avocado leave-in conditioner, and I literally just bought this brand from Amazon, the regular conditioner and the shampoo, and I think that was like $12, $15 each, so this only $7.99. So I just got the leave-in conditioner to finish my collection. I've been searching for this detangler for the longest time. I tried it once in like 2019, was obsessed with it, and I couldn't find it again. But I found it, and I just got these 2 oils. I don't know, I never used this brand. I've never even seen this brand before. So I got the biotin, the rosemary and mint one, and then I just got the Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil. So I got that, and then I just found this in, oh my goodness, I found these blemish patches in the, I don't even know, the Beauty Essentials aisle. So that's everything that I got so far. Y'all, look at this. Big Kenergy. It's like $2. Should I do it? It's the only thing I don't have. Those are cute. They're super cute.
Trust me to save our revenge, but now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me to save our revenge. I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know, it's wrong, I know. No, you said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go on.
Y'all, look at all these spices I just got. Carmenite Lies, onion powder, seafood spectacular, roast vegetables and fries. I think that's it. I just picked up some chia seeds and then some edamames. Okay, I just got back from Marshall's. I got a lot of stuff. I got like $200 worth of stuff. Most of them is just like snacks and like hair stuff, but I got this from Five Below. I can't find these anywhere. Actually, that's a lie. But I got like 3 bags of these from Five Below. And then I found this like reusable film camera. Of course, I had to get pink one. It was like $5.55. I don't know. It didn't come with the film, so I'm gonna have to buy the film from somewhere. But I wanted to try it. And this is like a cute little vintage item. But if it's trash, it was $5. So got that from Five Below, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's all I got from Five Below because all the other stuff is downstairs. But oh, let me grab this. So the first thing I got from Marshall's is this towel warmer. It's like this collapsible towel warmer. And I've been looking to buy one of these off of Amazon for like the longest time, but they're all like so big. And my bathroom is tiny. So I got this collapsible one, so I'm gonna try this one out. It's supposed to hold 2 full-size body towels, and then it says it's perfect for towels, robes, and more. So we'll see. Hi, Maya. So I got that from TJ Maxx, and that was $50. So that was like my big purchase. But anyways, excuse me, ma'am. So I got this cold brew iced tea. Oh, it's iced tea. Oh, hot or cold. Oh, okay, good. So I got this watermelon hibiscus with matcha. And I don't know, I wanted to try this. I've been liking like fruity teas lately, so I wanted to try this, and this is like one of the only flavors that I like there that was kind of fruity, so I got that. I got a bunch of spices. Well, I got like 3 spices. I got 3 spices. I got this roast vegetable and fry spice. I don't know. I've been getting into like more vegetables and stuff, so I wanted to get that for when I make vegetables. And I got this seafood spectacular spice to spice with my fish and my shrimp and stuff. So I got that one. And then I got this caramelized onion burger spice. I don't know, this one caught my eye, that's why. Oh my god, my lips are so wet. Bro, my lips are so dry in the winter. It's so annoying. I need to get some chapstick. But anyways, I got this caramelized onion burger one. This is the one that caught my eye. That's why I went into this seasoning section. So I got that. And then I found these like Tiny Tins chocolate chip cookies. And they're supposed to only have like 100 calories per pouch. And there's like 10 that come in here, so I just got this just to bring to work with me. Snack on. And now I'm out to my beauty stuff. So I usually don't really get many blemishes, but I wanted to try these blemish patches. And I got the star ones. All the ones with the hearts were all like torn open and stuff. So I settled with the stars. I got those. This is like a 72 pack. So this should last me a while. Sorry, I'm kind of stuffy, guys. That's why I'm talking low and weird. But I got like 3 oils. I got a Jamaican black castor oil. I got this biotin hair oil. And then this rosemary and mint oil. So I got those 3. I'm gonna mix them up and then add my other little hair powders and whatever to make my hair growth oil that I found. I don't know. I've been finding like these different, like on TikTok, it's like different videos with different oils and powders, and I don't know. I've been trying mixtures of them. I haven't been consistent though, so I got some new oils. I got this Pro Growth Castor Leave-In Spray, and I think this is this for after you spray your hair. Yeah, this is for after you wash your hair. It's just a leave-in castor oil spray. And then I got this Moac Detangler Leave-In Conditioner. So I got that because my hair gets so tangled. I don't know. My hair, it gets so tangled after I wash it. It's like so coily and it just gets tangled and puffy. So I got that, and I've actually used this spray before in like 2018. And I loved it, and then I couldn't find it anymore. So I finally found it again. So I grabbed it. And then I got these 3 creams. I got another leave-in conditioner. And this actually matches the set that I have. I got another leave-in conditioner. This actually matches the set that I have now. That I'm like the shampoo and conditioner set that I'm using now. And I bought the set off of Amazon for like $15 a bottle, and this is only $8. So I grabbed that. And then again, for my naughty hair, I got two. It's the same one, but I got two of them. Auntie Jackie Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. So obviously I'm not going to use them all at the same time. I'm going to try and see which products that I like the best, but that's all that I got from TJ Maxx. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. That's all that I got from TJ Maxx. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna put this all back together. I'm gonna have to put this up. So it's actually like 10 something at night. I don't know. I'm in slow motion today, but I'm gonna get ready for. He keeps screaming. He's playing the game and he keeps screaming. But I'm gonna get ready for bed, guys, and I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. I got work tomorrow, so I don't know.